do better. I have seen, African leaders moving around. You see, like I've just come from FOCAC, China, Africa, where over 40 African heads of state were. But I was saying, why should African leaders go to China? Chinese who should be coming to Africa. So these are some of the things that we want to reverse. It should not be reversed Africa, America, not America, Africa. Not India, Africa. Africa, India. Africa, Turkey, and so on and so forth. Africa can punch at its level. And this is what I want to see. And there's so many things that I've already said about Africa, what Africa can do, how Africa has been undermined, how Africa has been exploited. But we don't want to continue to be whining. We want to continue to do positive things. So as things are right now, I'm moving around, talking to presidents, talking to leadership of the continent, and as you have rightly said, you're all wishing me well and praying for me. In your prayers. Tukara kamani ya kungena kuru ni wiyath. Wachini kanye. Wachini kanye. Mikuro kura wachi wishi mangenya inya. Eruru kamana inya.
Koro, kwa koja kom, adwane ko wadwadi chamo, wadwadi yudho kado, wadwadi timango. Koro, wadburo lo ja kom gi VIPs bro telo koluok onde to wabed joma discipline wamigi thuolo matin gi governor achegi ka gi wuok to wamiyo gi thuolo wadhi straight. To orwako gi tayo gidhi to wasuolo kuye to wabed there's a lot to partake, so kikwaringi
Roberto chap chap
erokamano
wapi Roba